In this video, we're gonna do the comparative analysis between the LangChain and LlamaIndex. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into the video. So this is the comparative analysis between the LangChain and the LlamaIndex. So the data indexing is for the LlamaIndex. It converts diverse data types, that is unstructured text database records, into semantic embeddings optimized for creating searchable vector indexes. For LangChain, enable modular and customizable data indexing, utilizes chains for the complex operations, integrating multiple tools and LLM calls. So retrieval algorithm specializes in ranking documents based on the semantic similarities, excels in efficient and accurate query performance, combines retrieval algorithms so with LLMs to generate the context-aware responses, ideal for interactive applications requiring dynamic informative retrievals. So for the customization feature, limited customization tailored to indexing and retrieval tasks, focus on speed and accuracy within its specialized domain, highly customizable for diverse applications from chatbots to workflow automations, supports integrate workflow and tailored outputs, context retention, basic capabilities for retaining query context, advanced context retention for maintaining the coherent and long-term interactions. So use cases best for the internal search systems, knowledgeable managements, and enterprise solutions for needing precise information retrieval. Ideal for interacting applications like customer support, content generation, and complex NLP tasks. So performance optimized for quick and accurate data retrieval, handles large datasets efficiently, handles complex workflow, and integrates diverse tools seamlessly, balance performance with sophisticated task requirements. Lifecycle management offers debugging and monitoring tools for tracking performance and reliability. Provides the Lang Smith evaluation suite for testing, debugging, and optimization. Ensures robust performance under the real-world conditions. Ensure smooth application lifecycle management. So this is the complete side-by-side comparison. And for me, LangChain is much more diverse than LlamaIndex right now. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.